Hello, and welcome back to MeasureSquare for multifamily tutorials. In this video, we will walk you through how to set up the standard rectangular or square rooms, a very common room type in our multifamily units. Let us begin with the quickest way to draw a rectangular room by size. Tap on the tools icon in the top left, then select room by size. Delete the default measurements and then type in 5'6" into the width and 10 foot into the length. Also, tapping on the text field when your disto is attached will translate to the measurement as well. We will now rename the room Closet 1 in the same menu we entered the 5'6" by 10 foot, then tap Done. Now, let's save some time by using the copy and paste method. Long tap on Closet 1 and then select Copy. Then, long press outside of the room and select Paste. To rename a single room, tap on the new room and then select the eye icon. Select Label Height and Coving and rename to Bath 1, then tap Done. Then we will create Room 1 with the dimensions of 11'6" by 20 feet. Create another room with the dimensions 11'6" by 11'6". Create the washer room at 6'3" by 3'3", and then create CLS2 with the measurements of 6'3" by 4'3" to finish out the room by size section. Don't forget to rename the last two rooms. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and tutorials for all MeasureSquare products.